Tired of having a bloated stomach all the time? While there may be a number of factors involved, your diet may occasionally be the sole cause of your bloated stomach. Foods can have a big impact on belly bloat, whether they're gassy or high in sodium. This is why, when you're uncomfortable, eating a few meals that can reduce belly fat can be very beneficial. So keep watching till the very end to find out. We talked to some registered dietitians to find out the best meals that melt belly fat in order to identify a few foods that can help with your belly bloat or even help you lose a few pounds and give you that flat belly. Here's what they had to say about everything from snacks to dinner suggestions. So check out our list of the 11 best healthy cooking hacks of all time for more advice on eating well. Number 1. Peanut butter and apples. Eating fiber-rich foods is crucial for gut health and blood sugar regulation. According to Hannah Ackerman, RD, apples are a fantastic illustration of a fiber-rich food that can support your overall digestion and metabolism, keeping your belly flat. According to Ackerman, great examples of insoluble fiber include the skin of an apple, the outer shell of beans, and the seeds of blackberries. Because insoluble fiber cannot be broken down by our body, it passes through the digestive tract relatively undamaged, adding bulk to stools and facilitating proper digestion. In general, eating foods high in fiber will cause you to eat less overall, which will ultimately result in less belly fat. According to Ackerman, fiber is a crucial nutrient for gut health, managing weight, lowering cholesterol, and controlling blood sugar levels. By definition, fiber is the portion of carbohydrates that is not digestible and gives food bulk. You feel fuller after eating when you eat more fiber-rich foods, which helps you eat less overall. Number 2. Berries and oats. Another fantastic example of a fibrous food that is healthy for your digestive system is oatmeal. Oatmeal, in contrast to apples, is regarded as a soluble fiber, which behaves very differently in your digestive system. According to Ackerman, soluble fiber, like the fiber in oats, dissolves in water during digestion and creates a gel-like substance that can bind to cholesterol and eliminate it from the body. By delaying digestion, soluble fiber can also help control blood sugar levels. Prepare a bowl of oatmeal with blackberries on top for insoluble fiber, which can help reduce your belly bloat by the end of the day. Oatmeal is a good source of soluble fiber. Number 3. Burritos for breakfast. It's crucial to remember that fiber can produce gas, which will cause a slight bloating of the stomach. Do not be alarmed, this is normal. The secret is to include foods that will also aid in reducing gas in your system. According to Sheena Jaramillo, MSRD, there are many foods that are naturally more gas-producing and may lead to bloating in the short term. These may include beans, bran cereals, brown rice, leeks, cabbage, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. Foods high in salt and/or sugar will also cause more water to be retained in the body, which could temporarily increase bloating. You can overcome that by eating a breakfast burrito with beans on a whole grain tortilla. Whole grains, beans, and gas-producing vegetables should be consumed in moderation if you want to reduce bloating and belly fat, advises Jaramillo. Small meals throughout the day are preferable to a large meal. Number 4. Meals that contain 50% produce. Fill half of your plate with vegetables, no matter what you decide to eat for dinner, whether it's a hearty bowl of pasta or a few slices of pizza. It's a simple tip to keep in mind, will add fiber to your meal, and can help you achieve the flat stomach you've always wanted. A belly fat reducing plate would be made of 50% produce, fruits and veggies, about 2 fists, 30% protein, hand-sized portions, and 25% carbs, preferably higher fiber carbs, about 1 fist, explains Leslie Bonsi, MPH, RDN, CSSD, and LDN. Why is this mixture used? Protein can reduce between-meal hunger by keeping the body satisfied for a longer period of time, according to Bonsi. Produce provides the finer and fluids to contribute to satiety. Fill up, not out. And carbs can provide the fiber to help foods move through the digestive tract. Number 5. Plates for snacks with almonds. Make a simple snack plate with fruit, crackers, cheese, and yes, nuts if you're looking for a filling, flat belly snack, especially almonds. According to Shannon Henry, RD with Easy Care Clinic, almonds are high in good fats that are packed with protein and fiber, so they keep you full and satisfied and can prevent you from overeating. Due to this, they make a great snack to aid in weight loss. Number 6. Eggs at breakfast. With a plate of eggs for breakfast, you start your day off right. It can actually improve your health and assist you in getting a flat stomach. Eggs are an awesome food to eat when weight loss is the goal, says Henry. The fat and protein combination in eggs promotes satiety and decreases the levels of hunger-signaling hormones, or ghrelin, in the body. Number 7. Greek yogurt parfaits. According to Henry, full-fat Greek yogurt has beneficial probiotic bacteria that keeps your digestive system functioning properly and lessens stomach aches, like gas and bloating. Greek yogurt is one of the best foods to eat for a flat stomach, but always read the ingredient list to make sure there aren't any added sugars or chemicals. One of the healthiest probiotic foods you can eat is Greek yogurt. However, there are some subtle differences you should be aware of, according to William W. Lee, MD, author of Eat to Beat Disease, The New Science of How Your Body Can Heal Itself. First, choose plain yogurt rather than flavors or sugar substitutes that can harm your health. Try some honey if you want to sweeten things up. The Greeks do it that way. Second, consume food moderately. A small bowl of yogurt is sufficient to promote gut health because it is frequently consumed for breakfast in Greece. Third, carefully review the ingredients. Some Greek-style yogurt have a lot of chemical additives in them that you should avoid. Number 8. Smoothies. The best thing to do if you want results right away is to eat things that have already been digested, which means they have been either packed or pureed in some way. Smoothies are a fantastic illustration of this. Because a smoothie is easier to digest than a salad, Abby Sharp, RD of Abby's Kitchen, suggests one that is loaded with hydrating fruits and vegetables. The same is true of vegetable soup that has been pureed. Compared to eating foods that encourage any type of gas in your digestive system, this is an even more immediate solution for a flat stomach. According to Sharp, the best foods to avoid for reducing belly bloat are those that are low in salt, which increases water retention, and free of FODMAPs, beans and sulfur-containing vegetables like cabbage, broccoli, and cauliflower. Number 9. Coconut shrimp. Have a sweet tooth? Reach for something nutritious that will sate your craving and give your body some essential nutrients, like coconut shrimp, advises Rima Kleiner, MS, RD, a registered and licensed dietitian and nutritionist at Dish on Fish. Try these simple-to-make coconut shrimp the next time you're craving something sweet, advises Kleiner. Coconut helps satisfy a sweet tooth without adding any additional sugar because it is naturally sweet. For a nutrient boost, add some shrimp after that. Shrimp is a good source of selenium, a mineral that supports a healthy immune system, as well as antioxidants that help shield cells from harm, like sun damage. Number 10. Deviled eggs with smoked salmon. Deviled eggs, according to Kleiner, are a fantastic healthy snack that will satisfy your craving for salt without going overboard on sodium, which invariably results in belly bloating. You could reach for a high-sodium snack when you're craving something salty, but that salt may make you feel bloated, thirsty, and blah, says Kleiner. Choose something else, like smoked salmon deviled eggs. A substantial amount of protein, which is necessary for muscle growth and repair, is provided by the eggs and smoked salmon. Additionally, the yogurt, a secret ingredient, and heart-healthy omega-3s from the salmon in this tasty snack variation offer some good supporting probiotics. Number 11. Celery with dip. Do you prefer crunchy snacks more? According to Kleiner, celery can satisfy that craving for crunch, especially when served with a delectable dip. Celery provides a healthy crunch without the unhealthy fat in potato chips and crackers, claims Kleiner. Add some protein-rich trout dip for a tasty celery twist to help you feel fuller for longer. This smoked trout dip is simple to make and goes great with whole grain crackers or celery sticks. Vitamin D, which is crucial for strong bones and teeth, is also abundant in this dip. So that's it. What do you think of these belly fat melting meals? To post a comment, please do so in the area below. To ensure you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, ring the bell and join our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye.